Today we're playing around with a 1946 Elgin 1.25 horsepower. These were made by West Bend. I think kind of by accident actually. West Bend, you might know, was a company that made utensils and kitchen appliances and things like that. They bought a plant in, I think it was 44, that had an existing Sears contract with Elgin. And I think they finished assembling some of their engines they had on site, and then they decided, hey, let's get into the outboard business. So they had their engineers come up with a nice simple design, and this was one of their first models, or the first model that came out in 46. And it's very, 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 very simple. It's a single cylinder, air-cooled engine, no recoil. It's as easy and simple as it gets. They seem to always run. It's light, it's 19.5 pounds. And for a company that was not previously in the outboard business, I'm very impressed with this engine. It's got a handle that you can loosen up the thumb screw and slide the handle in, so it's very compact. And other than that, there's not really much to say. There's no shift, obviously, because we hadn't come up with that yet. In the mainstream, there's a couple of companies prior that had shifting, but in 49, as we know, Johnson and Scott Atwater had full shifting engines. So this is pre-shifting. You probably know that West Bend also continued making some outstanding engines later on, right up through the early 60s, for both Elgin and themselves, starting in 55. So anyway, let's go for a ride with this little guy. Gonna wrap the rope around here. This seems to have about as much power as a 2 OMC and almost as a 3. So you can see it's a darn good runner. I am impressed with this little guy. It's a very low compression engine. It runs a ton of oil in it, air-cooled oil, by the way, not liquid-cooled oil. I think I got an 8-to-1 mix in there. So she smokes a little bit, but it still idles great. It's got a good hot spark. And this one looks like it was cosmetically restored at one point. This is from Bill Allard's collection. I unfortunately never met the guy, but I heard he was a pretty amazing guy in the club, and I was proud to have been able to buy this. And it looks like he had started to go through it or went through it to put in his collection, but there's a lot of little things I had to neaten up on it with the ignition and fuel system and just little things, but it had really good bones, and I'm very, very happy with it. And this is representing 46 in my collection. So this, to me, this is a milestone engine. It's just the epitome of simplicity. It doesn't have anything you don't need on it, and it just runs, and it runs great. You can run at that low idle forever. I'm surprised that it doesn't load up the spark plug and stall, but it'll just keep running and running and running. So anyway, 1946 Elgin, made by West Bend. Run them if you got them.